Last week I had the opportunity to sit down with Sam Zavaglia from SeaGate and talk to him about their hard disk drive positioning to find out which hard drive is in fact best for video surveillance applications.
Enterprise class drives are drives that are rated at 24/7 operation while maintaining the mean time between failures, or MTBF. SeaGate make SAS and SATA interfaces in both as enterprise class drives. An enterprise SATA class drive would be sufficient for the surveillance market. We store data, we read and write data on both sides of the disk.
The world of digital storage can be a confusing place with dozens of products to choose from. So I asked Sam to give us a bit of a comparison to find out which of the SeaGate products would be best suited for an IP camera system.
Each drive is specifically designed for a target market because it's very hard to produce one drive that will fit all applications. Our first one here is a Barracuda 7200.12. This drive is rated at 8 hours a day, 5 hours a week, and it's typically found in your standard desktop system. The next one we call a Pipeline HD. This drive is designed specifically for set-top box, small enclosed environment, and it's rated 24/7. It has a high MTBF. The next drive we have is an SV35.5. That's our surveillance drive. So what makes this drive any different is that it has unique firmware in there that is specifically tuned to work with its caching algorithms so that it can stream multiple high definition streams into the drive and be able to process that. So it's more for streaming, whereas a desktop drive is more reading and writing, which is both directionals. This is more in tune for single direction, just writing to the drive all the time, and it's only when you have to review an event you'll be reading back off the drive. This has 5 years warranty, so we also build some reliability within the drive to ensure, and we show that with our warranty. So with this SV35, we still recommend it. It's not just as a single drive application like the Pipeline, but up to 4 drive embedded RAID built on motherboard type scenario, 4 drives. The Constellation ES is more of a entry-level server drive. It also carries 5 years, and the reason we have a Constellation ES, if you have a multiple drive RAID system, you might find that you need more than 4 drive in your RAID setup. This is more in tune for that. It also has a great rotational vibration tolerance. If you put multiple drives next to each other, they vibrate. They have a certain amount of resonance each drive. The more drives you put, the more resonance. And the more resonance, it can knock an individual drive off track. The drive will have to retry to be able to read or write that data. Now, it can do that, but you lose performance. This drive is specifically made so that it can withstand greater rotational vibration than the other drives.
So in a nutshell, the SV35 and the Constellation ES SATA drives are the right choice in the SeaGate range if you're wanting to find the sweet spot between best value for money and a long life cycle with your storage system. Remember, the SV35 is ideal for anything up to a 4-bay RAID configuration, such as with a NAS, and the Constellation ES is for anything beyond a 4-bay configuration. Thanks for watching. To stay informed as new videos are released, subscribe to the IP Academy channel.